Mozilla Firefox now includes several AI-powered features in 2026, but not everyone wants them enabled. If you care about privacy, performance, or simply prefer a cleaner browser experience, this tutorial will show you exactly how to turn off AI features in Mozilla Firefox step by step. Click on the three lines, then the Settings menu. Then look for AI Controls. Click on it. This is where most AI-related features can be disabled. Or in the search bar, search for something like AI Models or Block AI. In newer versions of Firefox, AI tools may appear as translations, image alt text in Firefox PDF Viewer, tab group suggestions, key points and link previews. Mozilla continues adding experimental AI features, especially through Firefox Labs and optional browser experiments. Another important step is checking the Firefox sidebar and toolbar customization settings. Some AI assistants appear as sidebar icons or toolbar buttons after updates. You can block these one by one based on your preferences, or look for Block AI enhancements to block all with this toggle. If you use Firefox Sync across devices, remember that settings may synchronize automatically. That means AI features disabled on one device could remain enabled on another device unless synced properly. One common mistake users make is confusing search engine AI results with Firefox AI features. Even if you disable Firefox AI settings, Google or Bing may still show AI-generated answers inside search results. Those features are controlled separately by the search engine itself. Another good tip is reviewing your installed Firefox extensions. Some browser add-ons include AI tools that work independently from Mozilla Firefox settings. Open the extensions page and remove any AI-powered add-ons you no longer want. And that's how to turn off AI features in Mozilla Firefox in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out more Firefox privacy guides, browser security tips, and Mozilla Firefox tutorials.